See this. Assalamu alaikum. What is Flash USDT? How to create a Flash USDT? Flash USDT ERC20. Flash USDT Binance. Okay. This is my Binance account. Okay. Today I'm going to show you in this video to expose the scammer. This is the pure educational purpose content. And see this amount I have right now in my Binance. Now I'm going to show you my transaction history, each and everything. Okay, this is the only for education. I'm your teacher. Okay, see the description and check my WhatsApp number. See this $12,000 I was sent to my customer. Date and time also is mentioned here. And see this $34,000 transactions. And now I'm gonna show you. Just hold on, my XNES account. It's also working on a forex trading. See this is my XNES. See the $700 loss in this trade. Okay, now I'm gonna expose this scammer. Open the YouTube and search Flash USDT, okay? And this is this channel. This person is a scammer, okay? Be aware of here. He will take money and block the peoples, okay? He will asking for us, just hold on. He will take money and block the peoples, okay? He asked for a $58, give me, and people send him a $58 and he will block them, okay? So be aware of this type of person. This person name is a game on and this is his WhatsApp number. This person is a purely scammer. Purely scammer. This is the educational purpose content, okay? And I'm going to show you again my XNES account. Just hold on. Okay? See the description and check my WhatsApp number.